Hey everyone, do you know Trust Wallet has over 100 million users worldwide? And it is one of the leading non-custodial crypto wallet with over 15 million monthly active users. In this video, we will learn how to set up Trust Wallet with just a few clicks. Go to Trust Wallet homepage and click Download extension. All the links are mentioned in the description below for easy reference. Select the browser that you are using. Click Add to add Trust Wallet extension. Confirm the pop-up tab to add extension. Choose Create New Wallet. Next, you will be prompted to create password. Remember, this password will unlock your Trust Wallet only on this device. Create a new password and confirm it. Check I agree and click Next. Click No Thanks if you don't want Trust Wallet to gather your basic usage. If you are okay sharing it, you can click Share Data. For this video, we will go ahead with No Thanks. Your wallet is ready to use. Remember to back up and keep your secret phrase safe. Click Open Wallet. Now this is a very important step. After opening wallet, click on Backup your secret phrase. After clicking Secure my wallet, a secret recovery phrase will be generated. This secret recovery phrase is master key to your wallet and funds on chain. You can use this key to access your funds from any device via Trust Wallet on chain. Click on Show. Next, you will be prompted to enter the password that we set at the beginning of this video. Enter the password and click Submit to reveal your master key. Write it on a piece of paper and store it safely. It may be required later on to restore your wallet. Never store it digitally, either in the form of a photo or any other form. Remember, whoever has access to this key has access to your funds on this wallet. Click Proceed. Next, you will be prompted to enter the key phrase in the correct sequence to confirm that you have stored the keys correctly. Please be aware that I have revealed my secret key in this tutorial for educational purposes, and I advise not storing or using this wallet as it can be accessed by anyone. Click on Next. Congratulations, your Trust Wallet is protected and ready to use. We have seen how to add Trust Wallet extension to your browser. You can follow the same steps to install the wallet on your mobile by going to the App Store on Android or iOS. Now that you are familiar with setting up Trust Wallet, you may also explore RocketX app that simplifies crypto trading and helps you get the best rate with every swap by comparing rates across 500 plus leading exchanges. Compare rates and Ape Smart. Please check the video link in the description below for how to RocketX video tutorial. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Happy swapping. See you in the next one.